Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Bank of Baroda login error issue. If you are facing login error issue, then this is a video for you. Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow this step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection and make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off, then on again, or switch to mobile data. Then if it is not working, turn on airplane mode for few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. So the other step is check your username and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off cap locks. Sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for login error issues. So the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open the Play Store or App Store, search for the app, then tap on update option if it is available. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issues. So the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and caching issues. First, you need to go to your phone setting. Then tap on app management or apps. Click app list or apps. Then search for the app. Then go on storage and cache. Click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is install the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app and restart your phone. Install the app again from Play Store or App Store, and by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to customer service of the app by going on help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.